Hello, I'm Perry Alibrio. I'm with Metaverde Saferwood. We are in the market currently with a full line of fire retardant treated products that include sidings, deck structural components, deck surface, fencing components. All of these products are fire retardant treated to meet the new ignition resistant standard required by the highest fire zones in California. We have a full line offering of stock products that help us navigate the lead times that it takes to produce these products, and they are currently available through Hayward Lumber. These products include our A&Better vertical grain hemlock, which is a combination of two processes. This is first thermally modified. This product then is milled into two stock profiles and then fire retardant treated. This product as well as the rest of the line meets ignition resistant standard for the highest fire zones in California. We also stock an SDK cedar, which is a price conscious product line. And this product is also fire retardant treated and in stock. It's a profile known as 711R. This is a standard profile that's been around for many years. It's graded to the resawn face. All of our products that are fire retardant treated are guaranteed to have a mar-free face. So that's important as an appearance grade fire retardant. As you can see, after testing, this was a product that was in flame, direct flame for 30 minutes with no combustion, and you can see that there's no progression of the flame. The only part that charred is the part that was directly over the flame. So no progression, no production of embers, and very, very little smoke production. All of this is part of the testing that we have to go through to meet ignition resistant standard. This, I believe, was approaching 700 degrees with the flame under it. The testing that we have to meet to document for the standard is we build a deck that goes into a tunnel that applies flame and wind. That flame and wind is kept on the wood for 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes, the wood cannot progress, the flame cannot progress more than 10 feet. And that's the standard that we meet for this product line. Prior to that, any piece of wood in a fire retardant treated wood line has to go through what's known as accelerated weatherization. That weatherization test is a simulated 800 inches of rain and 140 degree temperatures on a 12-week cycle. So after that cycle is done, what they're doing essentially is trying to beat the retardant out of the wood. After that, that is when we test in the tunnel with the 30-minute standard. So you can see that no penetration to the back side of this on the exposed side, and no progression of flame in either direction, no combustion, except for in the area where the flame was directly placed. So that's important. The ember production is extremely important because we know that's how wildfires spread and engulf more than one structure. The embers fly and they land on the next structure and ignite. So the additional components that we offer a deck assembly which consists of 2x8, 2x6, and 2x10. These are structural components for the underside of the deck. Again, ignition on materials or structures that abut the main structure of the home, decks and fences. We know that these are ignition points that can spread to the main structure itself. So low-lying is where a lot of those fires will spread. So the deck components are very important. Then we have the deck surface, which we offer in STK cedar in a 2x6. That gives the entire deck assembly an ignition-resistant assembly. On the fencing, we offer 4x4 8-foot posts, 2x4 8-foot rails, 1x6x6 square top pickets. All of those are, again, fire treated and meet that ignition resistance standard. So we have been a distributor with Hayward Lumber for over 25 years. We deliver to all branch locations, and our brand is Metaverde Saferwood. And it's safer wood, it's real wood, made safer, safer wood.